You often have some questions when you are a beginner in spoken English or when you are in initial stage. Among those questions, these two questions are common, like should I take any spoken English course? Should I join any spoken English course, or I can learn this language by myself? And second question is, do I need an environment to learn this language? Do I need an environment in my favor? So, hello friends, I am Juna Varman. I welcome you all to my channel Juna Varman English. So friends, if I talk about first question, should I take any spoken English course to learn this language? Then if you are really desperate to learn this language, if you need an instant job but can't get it due to your spoken English, then you should obviously join a spoken English course. But if you are not desperate, if you are not desperate to learn this language, um, then you can learn this language on your own. I always struggle to find a conducive place for my English speaking practice. I used to think just like you when I was at initial stage. I would think I should take a spoken English course. I should take a spoken English course to learn this language. Otherwise, I will not get fluency in this language. Otherwise, I cannot learn this language. So, eventually, I took a spoken English course, but unfortunately, the teacher got sick after taking 4 classes. And I waited for 1 month, and then I thought uh, it was getting late, so I would learn this language on my own. And from that day, I am working on English. Okay, so am I not able to speak English? Am I not speaking English language? Yes, I am speaking, even it is broken. I am speaking. So if you are not desperate to learn this language, if you are not in a hurry to learn this language, then please be patient and take your time to learn this language. Because if you learn anything by yourself, it brings happiness to us. It brings a lot of happiness, right? So uh, first try on your own, and then um, if you are not get fluency in English, then obviously you should join a class. Okay, so friends, now the second question is, do I need an environment to learn this language? According to me, we don't need environment to learn this language, because if we wait for environment, then it will never come. Because if someone wants to do something good in their life, then circumstances are always against of them. Am I right? So we should not wait for an we should not wait for an favorable environment. We have to create an environment to learn this language. Otherwise we'll never get environment to learn this language. We have to create an environment to learn this language. According to me, environment is important, but please don't wait for the favorable environment. You have to create it, otherwise it will never come. So friend, see, our in my environment is not is in my favor, but I have created it. After coming home from Haryana, my mother-in-law used to say, what are you doing taking your mobile phone? You have opened you have opened your camera and you are speaking. What are you doing? He used to say, you sorry she used to say, she would say all the time, you are wasting your time, stop wasting your time and do household chores. But i I have created my environment, I created it forcefully, and then now she doesn't scold me, and now she understand a little bit. So she doesn't get angry when I make video. Okay, so you have to create environment for you to learn this language. Yes, environment matter a lot. We need a favorable environment, but if you are waiting for an favorable environment, then you are fool. If you have the spark within you, then nobody can stop you, whether the circumstances or the environment are in your favor or not. It doesn't matter. Nobody can stop you if you have awakened fire inside you. So light the fire inside you, within you, and you can see the changes, and you can see everyone is changing. Circumstances are changing, environments are changing. You can see it automatically changing. Okay, so at first you have to spark a fire within you. So friends, you can accomplish anything by lit a fire and within you. Okay, so just try to lit a fire, and don't let them douse, don't let them douse, never ever. So friends, just lit a fire. So friends, just lit a little fire within you and never ever let it to douse. Okay, so you will accomplish anything in your life. Okay, so friends, bye, take care and keep learning.